We are back again. Me and John. Hey, John. Back to another Ronde. First we went to the washroom and then sunscreen and then on our way. Waiting on my friend to come back from the washroom. And then we will put sunscreen on. Oh, okay, I have a little bit of sunscreen on. Okay. So I don't get a worse sunburn than I already have. Anything you want to say, John?
I mean, not really. We're going to go on roller coasters, go on the monster.
And then fireworks tonight. That way? I'll let you take that way and I'll take the rolling doors. And wait, we'll check the map where we are. We bought these. Look what I discovered. The roller coaster. Oh, there we go. That is awesome. I hope I'm not recording myself. The church a nice church that we could see. Yeah, that's the one we might be taking. That bridge. Yeah. Oh, look at the Ferris wheel. That's not Ronde. That's like another tiny island with some big circus tent. What? Nice. On this side. Look at all that. I'm in a whole city, almost.
You know, Montreal is a very beautiful city.
Oh, it is.
I wouldn't mind moving there.
I think it's very religious too, or something like that.
It is. Why do you think there's so many churches?
Yeah, we've seen like at least 10 to 15 churches. Yeah. That looks really nice.
It's not a big Ferris wheel too.
Yeah, I recorded that too. We gotta take Swift and a few others on that.
You should freak Swift.
Yeah. That is amazing.
I think if I went on that, I think I would get over my fear of heights.
There's our bridge. On that? The Ferris wheel?
Because of how big it is, I think that would like get over my fear, I think.
Oh. The only thing I'm scared for is we're on a bridge, almost. And we might have to be under that. Unless it takes us around and then we could get on.
Is it just here? Does this walk seem shorter than last?
No, it's actually shorter.
That's what I said. It seems
Oh, yeah.
From now on, that's the word we should take.
Definitely. That's what we're going to do. Maybe for October, too.
Why, we
Cocktober.
October?
What?
We're doing a Ronde in October?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
No?
Yeah,
That looks nice. And then there's Ronde.
that's what I told her. You should have came with us too.
That is amazing. Slingshot's getting up there. Oh. That is nice. Almost slapped into a pole. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna hold on to it tight. Oh. Oh, copyright. Oh, I might have to delete that song off here. I hope it doesn't do like last time. Take even the audio off. Yes, I know. I have my glasses. Canada Day. Hey, John. Almost there. We're right on the bridge area. And then yeah. Let's stay on the sidewalk instead of the road.
I know, I was hoping it was going to the road. So it's just,
Me too. Let's go on the road. Oh, the bikes though. And we're right there at the bridge. That's the bridge we're taking. There we go, we're almost there. The glasses is more for my eyes in the sun. Yeah. Again, the view is nice. Look at that. That's amazing. That can't be good. The vibration of the bridge hitting the poles. That's really nice. Later tonight, we're going to be taking that bridge. We'll be taking that bridge to our left. And that's what we are on. That is amazing. We'll be on that bridge over there. I have my nerdy clothes on. Can you see it? Naruto. And I have my... Hold on. A Deku. A Deku book bag. Okay. Wow, that's sketchy. As long as I don't drop anything in the water, that's good. I'm still surprised that it's a little dead here. It's probably more packed on the other side. What? Yeah. It's probably way more packed on the other side. See all the cars? Oh, there's someone leaving. Oh, there we go. There goes all the cars. If you don't want to see the fireworks and you're leaving before then, they tell you to leave now or something like that, or close to that. And then they say, if you're staying, come into the parking lot and the police will guide you through. Oh, there it is. What's up with the crane? Oh. What's up with the crane? There's like a big giant crane right there. What?
I don't think Monster's open.
Oh. That one. I'm gonna run again because of the bikes. All the cars. What?
I don't think they're also open. I'm kind of disappointed.
Yeah, no kidding. We are getting our season, seat tickets, so we don't have to end up getting to sit somewhere else. So yeah, we're waiting to get onto the Dragon. Then it's Supermanage. Sitting down, relaxing till the ride. Supermanage? Yeah, Supermanage, the orange one. I wonder if that catapult's gonna go. Hey, John? I wonder if the catapult's gonna go.
Open decorations. Lots of them, man.
Oh,
Oh, bro.
Wait.
we're going back onto the super manage.
Le spectacle pyro-musical comprend aussi des extraits du film musical La La Land et bien d'autres, et bien sûr un peu de K-pop. For its fourth presence at La Ronde, Annual Corporation from South Korea presents Dreaming in Montreal. Annual pyro-musical artists invite us to live or relive the dreams of our youth in this pyro-musical extravaganza, all music from Mary Poppins, The Penguins of Madagascar, Ratatouille, and Coco, and excerpts from contemporary music La La Land, and more, and of course, a touch of K-pop. Nous rencontre le calendrier de la production a été renouvelé cette année. Le prochain spectacle en ligne sera donc présenté samedi le 6 juillet prochain. Ce sera alors au tour de la firme Parente Fireworks Group de l'Italie pour nous présenter son spectacle Le Premier Pas, Rêve lunaire. Les spectateurs de l'International des films de Québec ont aussi leur mot à dire. Nous vous invitons à participer à notre concours photo sur Instagram. À chaque feu, nous choisirons notre coup de cœur et annoncerons le gagnant d'une paire de billets pour l'International des films de Québec. Pour participer, vous n'avez qu'à publier votre plus belle photo de feu d'artifice sur Instagram le soir même avec le hashtag IFLQ 2019.
Should be starting in 2 minutes. That's nice. The house. That is nice.
You know, like even if we get there, looks like fucking Epcot.
It looks like a big,
I'm joking.
no, it looks like a jungle gym. Doesn't it?
And they speak English too.
Oh yeah. Spiderweb. You okay? Molson. Pennywise, the dancing clown. Those fireworks were amazing. Thanks to South Korea for doing that. That was amazing what you guys did. That. Hey, John. Circus tent. Wow. That is amazing. Huh? No.